Pepe might decline 6.7% by February 17, according to coin data flow. Let's begin with a glance at the most recent market action. As we begin, Pepe has fallen 4.4% since yesterday and is priced near 0.50's $449. Here come 5 views from analysts. Coin price forecast's model shows a possible move to 0.50's $453 by tomorrow. That's approximately 0.8% up from current levels. Pepe might reach 0.50's $45, according to Coin Codex, about 0.1% above current price. CoinLore notes it may slide toward 0.50's $44, a fall close to 2.1%. A different projection from Coin Data Flow sees Pepe dropping toward 0.50's $419, a decrease of about 6.7%. And to end 30 rates projects 0.50's $416 by February 17, a projected drop of 7.4%. This is the most profitable forecast in the entire lineup. We finished 5 projections. Let's keep moving. The forecasts are laid out. Now let's examine the key figures. From the full spread of predictions, the potential movement in price lies between a decline of 7.4% and a gain of 0.8%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that 30 rates predicts the highest return with 7.4% surge in value by February 17. To sum it up, you could receive between $1 and $74 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility taken into account, Coin Codex's forecast indicates the most likely movement, with a 99.3% chance of success. From all the forecasts combined, I've created one consolidated scenario. The average outlook positions Pepe at about 0.50's $436. Let's dive into the numbers. The consensus projection indicates a 3.1% drop in price. That forecast suggests your capital might also gain by 3.1%. Putting $1,000 into this move could reflect about $31 in gain. In practical terms, the chance of the consensus forecast for Pepe proving accurate is around 97.1%. So now, let's take a look at how analysts predict the price direction over the next 3 days. Coin price forecast sees the price heading upward in the days ahead. Coin Codex describes the near-term path as bearish. A drop is meanwhile expected by CoinLore, reinforcing the downside view. Coin Data Flow anticipates sideways trading conditions. 30 rates believes the price is set to climb further. The consensus highlights downside potential, keeping Pepe on a bearish track. At this stage, 40% of forecasts lean toward Pepe trading weaker. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Now it's time for some fact-checking. As a result, the actual price settled around 0.50's $441. A lone forecast was correct about the trend. Looking strictly at accuracy, Golf Capital Collector turned out most accurate. Now we move from the overview to the specifics. The daily range included none of the forecasts. And about ROI, the only positive return came from Golf Capital Collector, showing 11.9%. Here's the recap. All outcomes combined into one table. Golf Capital Collector is shown with 0.60's $303,844 accuracy, 90.1% forecast probability, and 11.9% ROI. Take a second and decide who deserves the top spot today. And now let's see where Pepe stands among other cryptocurrencies in tomorrow's forecasts. Pepe takes the lead in forecasted returns, standing at 3.1%. Here I've compared Pepe with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more, along with full analyst stats and accuracy rates, will soon be available on my website and Telegram channel. And that's it. Don't miss the next forecast cycle. Hit subscribe to stay in sync. Take it easy. See you next time.